Welcome to Next Gen Templates. Today we are looking at the trucking and logistics dashboard in Excel. Whether you manage a fleet of trucks, coordinate shipments, or oversee logistics operations, this dashboard gives you a complete view of your revenue, routes, drivers, fleet performance, and financial trends all in one place. Let's dive right in. We start with the overview page. At the top, you can see 5 key cards showing total revenue. So my revenue, total records, total delivered, total fuel cost, and total profit. Below that, on the left side, we have total revenue versus total fuel cost broken down by cargo type, including hazmat, oversized, refrigerated, LTL, and general freight. In the center, total revenue by month shows you how earnings trend across the year. On the right, total records by status gives you a quick snapshot of deliveries versus in transit, delayed, and canceled shipments. At the bottom, total revenue versus total fuel cost by route helps you compare profitability across your key shipping lanes. Now let's move to the route analysis page. Here you can see total records by origin city and total revenue by destination city side by side, so you know exactly which cities are driving the most volume and revenue. On the right, total revenue by driver name shows individual driver earnings. At the bottom, total profit by route breaks down profitability for each of your major routes like LA to Nashville, Memphis to Nashville, Dallas to Chicago, Austin to Portland, and Phoenix to Miami. Next up, we have the driver performance page. This page focuses entirely on your drivers. You can see total records versus total delivered by driver name to quickly spot who is completing the most shipments. Total on time by driver name highlights delivery reliability. On the right, total revenue by truck ID links revenue back to specific vehicles. And at the bottom, total profit by driver name shows you which drivers are contributing the most to your bottom line. If we head over to the fleet analysis page, this is where you track your trucks. Total records by truck ID shows shipment volume per vehicle. Total fuel cost versus total profit by truck helps you identify which trucks are cost efficient and which ones need attention. On the right, total profit by month gives you a monthly view of fleet earnings. And on-time percentage by truck ID at the bottom shows delivery reliability for each truck in your fleet. The last analysis page is financial trends. Here we have total records versus total delivered by customer type, so you can see how different customer segments perform. Total revenue versus total fuel cost by month tracks your cost efficiency over time. And total revenue versus total profit by customer type helps you understand which customer segments are the most profitable for your business. Moving on to the data sheet, this is where all your shipment data lives. You simply enter your records here in the given format and the entire dashboard updates automatically. It is very easy to use and maintain. Finally, we have the support sheet, which contains multiple pivot tables that power the entire dashboard. Once you update the data, just go to the Data tab in Excel and click Refresh All. Every pivot table and chart will update instantly. You can keep this sheet hidden during everyday use. That is the Trucking and Logistics dashboard. You can find the download link in the description below. Visit nextgentemplates.com to explore more dashboard templates. Thanks for watching.